Let's dive into the concept of automate, a term that means to make a process or system operate automatically. Automation represents a significant leap in efficiency and accuracy across various sectors by minimizing human intervention and maximizing the use of technology. Consider the transformation in manufacturing. The factory was able to increase production after they automated, illustrates how automation can enhance productivity and operational capacity, enabling businesses to meet higher demand with consistent quality. Now think about the evolution of customer service. Many companies are looking to automate their customer service, highlights the shift towards using chatbots and AI systems to provide timely and effective responses to customer inquiries, improving service availability and satisfaction. Reflect on the pursuit of precision. The process was automated to reduce errors, emphasizes the role of automation in increasing accuracy and reliability in tasks that are prone to human error, ensuring outcomes are consistent and dependable. Lastly, ponder the impact on daily living. She automated her home with smart devices, points to the integration of automation in personal spaces, where convenience, security, and efficiency are enhanced through the use of technology, transforming how we live and interact with our environment. Automation is not just about technological advancement, it's about redefining the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us, offering new possibilities for innovation and improvement. If you're intrigued by the transformational power of automation and its impact on various aspects of life and industry, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Join us as we explore more concepts that shape our future.